Hello everyone and welcome to my channel OptionsTraderToday. So today in this video I'll explain you how natural gas price has moved in the last week and how the natural gas price can move the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, there is a pattern forming. Okay, there was a pattern forming since April of 2022. Okay, and this particular U pattern, after this range has break of around 6.6. If you have seen my previous video, I have explained you that if the price goes above a level of 4.8 and sustained, probability of touching $8 will be high, because 6.6 was the support which is already was tested twice, so probability was very high. We can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of 8, because since 10 to 15 years it has not touched this particular level and have not crossed upside. Okay, once this crossed upside, we have seen that it can go further high, and you can check my previous video where I explained you that it can go to a level of 7.8 to $9 also. Okay, after it has fall again and upside, because it is following a particular trend. If you have seen, after making this particular high it fall down, after making this particular high it fall down, same way. Okay, now we have seen a great fall. So once this start sustaining this particular level, we can see it can go further upside. Okay, before we move forward with natural gas, if you have any doubt regarding any commodities, forex or stocks, mail us at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in silver and other commodities are working. Okay, so natural gas, and if you wish to join my telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. Okay, suppose if this particular level sustain, what we can see, suppose if this particular level sustain, we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 6.254, and if that level sustain, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 6.442. okay, and suppose if the price goes above that level, then we can see it can touch a level of 6.6. okay, and once if it goes above that level, then we can see it can touch a level of 6.817. okay, suppose if the price goes above that level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 6.958, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 7.146. okay, once the price goes above a level of 7.146, then we can see a probability of touching 7.428 will be high, and from there we can see it can go further upside to a level of 7.545, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of $8 also. Okay, now you have to understand something, that there are few resistance point that once if it sustain above that level, a probability of going further high will be there. 6.2 is a very strong support, so once if it goes above a level of 6.2, then we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of $6.8, and once if it sustain above a level of 6.8, a probability of touching further upside, that is around 7.2, and from there we can see it can go to a level of $7.5. These are the four resistance which is very crucial. So once now it is currently trading at around 5.782. so once this level goes upside and sustain above a level of 5.8, then only we can see it can move to a level of 6.2. but market is uncertain, you will never know that it will move in one direction. As you have seen that it has moved in one direction, but what I have told you that it will not move like this, it will not move a straight line, it will hold for some time and then move like this. It is an uptrend, but overall you will see a more fluctuation coming in the price of natural gas. Now what we can see, suppose if this level didn't sustain, it has already made a low of 5.349, because this is the strong support as you can see at this particular level. So if this level didn't sustain of 5.7, then we can see it can come down to a level of 5.5, and from there we can see it can come down again to a level of 5.3, and this support is already a weakened support, so probability will be high. We can see it can go further down towards a level of $5.039. okay, so once this level goes further down, then we can see it can go to a level of $4.8. once if it goes below a level of $4.8, then probability of touching 4.45 will be there, and from there we can see it can go further down, and from there we can see it can move further down towards a level of 4.2, and then from there 3.8, it can go to a level of 3.8 if it didn't sustain a level of $4.2. okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I do workshop also where I teach you how to overcome all the psychological problem and how to trade, because most of the people lose money in trading, and there are some points which you have to remember when you trade. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new